Okay, tension. Tension. Tensed. Stop, stop, stop.
Hey guys, Rhino here. So today I got a call to go recover a Tesla up in Running Springs. The Tesla lost control on ice and hit another vehicle that was on the side of the road. The second vehicle on the side of the road was also disabled, and they both of them they've been waiting for tow trucks since 2:30 p.m. So, we're on our way to recover them. Thank you guys for coming along, and I'll keep recording once I get there. We're just here waiting at the tire chain checkpoint because it's snowing up there. All right, so we're here.
All right.
We're gonna see what's going on here.
No.
We're we're kind of in the middle of the street, so he's gotta park better. We'll see about them, what's going on with them. So it's four-wheel drive, but when you step on the pedal, it doesn't move.
Right.
All right, doesn't spin at all.
It doesn't spin, and I think what's happening is that it senses. I'm hoping that if we can get it off of
On the pavement,
on the pavement,
it'll go.
hopefully.
Okay, sounds good. We'll get you out right now.
Okay.
By any chance, do you have the hook for the front? For the front?
Don't.
No?
No.
Hold on one second. All right, so now we found the hook. We're gonna pop this here. Wait, no, this is not it. Is it this one? Is this one, right? Okay, Elon, I wanna ask you why. Why would you guys do this? Bam, nothing. Last time I spent 4 minutes trying to do this. I couldn't figure it out. I was looking in there, everything looks good, and guess what? You have to go the opposite way. Why, Elon? Why will you do that? Seriously. See? There it is. So just in case you don't know and you have a Tesla, in order to put the hook on, you gotta go counterclockwise. Okay, new information came up. Apparently, they were involved in a crash, and this is why we're trying to help them out of here. They pulled over to see what happened, but they got stuck in the snow. So the police showed up, and they're taking a report, I guess, and we'll be going in shortly here.
Slow, 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 slow. Okay, tension. Tension. Tensed. Stop, 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 stop. You're gonna have to do it shorter. Se va a resbalar. Go ahead, give it a try. Dale, dale, despacio.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go. Good.
Stop, stop, stop.
What happened?
You're going to the side.
I know.
Okay, so the location where the Tesla was stuck at, it was a really tight curve on the road. So it was a bit difficult and, a lot dangerous to pull them out of there because we had traffic coming in, However, we managed to pull them out, turn the Tesla around, and now they'll be going home. Okay, so again, I was able to turn them around. He's talking to Alfredo real quick, but he should be heading this way right now, and I believe that's him right there. So he's going home. He says that he's able to drive it now, and he's going home. Just go. There you go. Thank you. Drive safe.